here, back here in the video on your favorite YouTube channel, Swiss Rocker. So guys, a very fresh and happy good morning to all of you. Have you eaten your breakfast today? So guys, what do you prefer for your breakfast? If you prefer banana and milk, then you are possibly gonna hurt your body, because banana plus milk creates an enzyme which is very harmful to our body. Do you prefer apples as an breakfast choice? So be aware of its seeds, because its seeds can create cyanide poisoning in your body, and you can possibly create an death incident. Guys, do you prefer? So guys, after I said that you should be aware of an apple seed, you say that okay, I will be aware of apple seed, but I'm going to add salt in apple. You think that salt is possibly normal content known as NaCl in chemistry. It's just normal. Salt wouldn't harm us, but salt would also harm you. If taken in large quantity, it can result into severe bone damage, causing you arthritis and many other problems. It can also create brain seizures, which can lead to fatal disease or even death. So guys, these were the quick facts of today. Meet you in the next video. And before leaving, I'm going to tell you an amazing fact that in the next video, I'm going to create an animation type of effect with this whiteboard. So be ready for that. Subscribe the bell icon and you will get notified every time I post a brand new video. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video. And until then, be happy, be rock.